iPhone 15 Screen Disassembly Demo. Put it directly into the disassembly compartment. Screen removal mode. Just start directly. Machine automatic alignment calibration. Press down the suction cup to preheat the screen. After preheating is completed, suction cup up. Start disassembly. Two-stage microwave disassembly technology. Efficient disassembly without damaging the screen. Disassembly completed. Let's take a look at the effect. The screen has been completely disassembled. Then light it up and test it. Touch normal.